ACE inhibitors and ARBs both lower blood pressure, but why does one cause cough and the other doesn't? Let's break it down simply. Both ACE inhibitors and ARBs work on the same system in the body, the renin-angiotensin system, which controls blood pressure and fluid balance. This system normally tightens blood vessels and raises BP. Both drug groups relax blood vessels, BP comes down, heart and kidneys get protection. ACE inhibitors block the ACE enzyme. That enzyme normally makes angiotensin II, which is a strong vessel tightening chemical. So when ACE is blocked, less angiotensin II, blood vessels relax, blood pressure drops. ACE enzyme also breaks down bradykinin. When ACE is blocked, bradykinin builds up, irritates airways, leading to a dry, persistent cough. That's why many patients complain of coughing at night. ARBs do things one step ahead. Instead of blocking the enzyme, they block angiotensin II receptors directly. So angiotensin II cannot act even if it's present. If a patient gets an annoying dry cough on an ACE inhibitor, switch to an ARB. Same benefit, different mechanism. One causes cough, the other doesn't.